Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the Sigma Drift strategy, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
So what I'm looking at is I'm just taking a 50 wide fly and I'm moving it out and just looking at the profit curve and the cost. And the gamma on the profit curve is super high, meaning that because of the low volatility, there's been accelerated premium decay. So even a little move or short burst move that might go 20 or 30 points could pay over the next few days. And of course, you'll miss 2 days of market time, so you wouldn't be able to tend to it. And this expires on the 2nd. When is the 2nd? The 2nd is Thursday. That looks like a good play to me. Let's see if I go out a little further. Let's go another 10 points out, 75 cents. Let's go 5 points out. I like that trade. So that gives it almost a week, 6 days to perform. And it doesn't have to move very far to make substantial profit. Let's see if it moves 10, 20 points. Of course, on Monday, it's not going to be at 487. It's probably going to be closer to $200. But still, that looks like a good move. So I like that trade. I'm going to put that on. Let's see what convexity says about that trade. That setup shows a beautifully tight butterfly structure centered around 6850 with the wings placed at blah, blah, blah. For next Thursday expiration. Let's break it down. In the context of gamma drift and your GEX map. Based on your GEX bar chart earlier, positive GEX starts and dominates above 6615, creating stability. We also saw that the GEX flip zone, blah, blah, blah. You're now anchoring butterflies well above the flip. This is where the market would need to drift into long gamma territory. So this is the kind of typical Sigma drift trade that I would put on. I haven't been trading for the past week. I've just been developing. But when I first started doing these longer dated flies, that's a very typical trade that I would put on. A little further out than I would pay. I would pay anywhere from 60 cents to about $1.10. And I haven't had a single one yet get inside. No, I had one that got inside the tent, but it got early on and the volatility was much higher, but it paid pretty good. So I'm going to put this trade on Monday. I'll probably put on 2 more Sigma drifts. I'll just keep on layering them on, but I don't see a lot of benefit to trading today right now. As the volatility goes down, I'm more apt to do the Sigma drift or the convex stack type trades. They've paid off for me very nicely. And I don't have to be really right. Just lay them out there, and then one of the days between now and then, there's usually a good size move, pushes me into profit, usually get about anywhere from 3 to 10 times my risk returned. And hopefully one of these days I'll get inside the profit tent and get like a 2 or a 3,000% winner.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.